Remove the two spring clips that hold the fan shroud in place at the top of the radiator support, as indicated by the green arrows. Pull the coolant line going to the expansion tank out of its groove in the fan shroud, purple arrow, and carefully pull the fan shroud up and out of the engine compartment. This will give you a little bit more room to work. Also remove the black plastic cover at the front of the valve cover, red arrow. Locate the serpentine belt tensioner to the left of the radiator fan. Use a 15mm socket to rotate the tensioner pulley clockwise. Note the routing of the belt before you remove it. This will loosen the serpentine belt and allow you to remove the belt from the alternator pulley. In this picture, you are looking down at the ratchet sitting on the tensioner nut. Once loosened, remove the old belt. Route the new belt, purple arrow, over the various pulleys on the engine, green arrows. It helps to route it in such a way that you can quickly rotate the belt tensioner clockwise and slip it over the tensioner. Once in place, release the tensioner. In this picture, you can see the routing of the belt, purple arrow. Note that in this picture, the radiator and most of the front components of the engine have been removed to show the routing of the belt. Also visible is the 15mm bolt in the center of the tensioner, as indicated by the green arrow. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article, along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.